Well, I wanted to share this with you all. So I just finished doing the print for the calibration, and you can see there was some calibration that needed to be done, which you saw in the other video. However, I started it one last time with the adjustments saved that I created when I printed the second one. And it's printing the first layer right now. And would you look at that? It is absolutely perfect. Now there are weird little stutters, but that's actually because of the traveling, and you might see some on camera here for just a brief second, but maybe not. But my goodness, this is fantastic. This is probably the best first layer I've ever had, ever. I mean, I had the Annette A8 before, so it's not like it's anything special. I mean, this is the first time I've had the opportunity to truly calibrate a first layer, but holy crap, this is so nice. This is going to be so hard to get off. I'll probably cancel the print here in a second because it's already, like, I've already proven to myself that the calibration I performed is worth it. But this just really goes to show something that I'm actually a huge fan of when it comes to the AnyCubic Chiron, and it's this: my ability to intervene and assist in auto bed leveling. And from what I can tell with the BL Touch, you just, you know, go, and it figures it out. And that's great, right? I'll probably love it if I ever have it on a 3D printer in the future. But this assisted auto bed leveling is fantastic. It's had a little bit of doubts in the beginning, but I easily recovered. Like, this is very minimal effort on my part to really nitpick and fine-tune all the little things. Now, you guys saw in the video, it started off that like way up top, but I was able to get it down just right. Especially by the time I got that second layer, I was really nailing it. And so I literally just left it alone for the rest of the print. It finished, and then I printed this one. And this is amazing. Like, this is a fantastic first layer. Now, all of this, all these little skid marks that you see, is when it's like sitting there and it's going, and then it starts to travel to another area, and it goes really quickly. And so you can literally ignore that because that's just travel tread marks or whatever you call them. But I mean, look how easily they pop off. See, it's just doing it. I just did it, but it's very difficult to see. But man, this is fantastic, and this is quite impressive. For a build plate this big, honestly, I prefer the ability to go on that grid and fine tune all the little bits, because maybe I change my nozzle to a bigger nozzle and now I need to redo it or something. So very happy, very impressed with this. I'm probably gonna start a big vase tonight, and hopefully the filament doesn't clog on me. Had issues with it before. It's that Amazon filament. But anyway, yeah, just wanted to share an update that this printer is really performing, and it's performing well. And I'm extremely happy. It's doing the second line on this side now, and you can just see now that it's given it a little bit more depth. It is fantastic. This is a first layer, and it looks absolutely brilliant. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell. There we go. My camera focused. But it is absolutely brilliant. So anyway, I recommend this printer. 2 thumbs up. And very, very impressed with the auto bed leveling being assisted. People think it's a headache. I actually thought it was really nice because I could just fine tune it and really pay attention and get it just the way I like it. Because I do like to have mine a little bit closer than some people do. So anyway, thanks for checking out my series here, and I'll be uploading all of these onto YouTube as kind of a hands-on review of the Chiron, and yeah, I really recommend it. So yeah, also shout out to AnyCubic. It'd be great if you could get back to my email and send me back 2 kilos of filament, since I ordered the 2.5, not the half model version, but I'll follow up with everyone on YouTube to see how that's going. Anyway, talk to y'all later.